Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Princess Resort in Hanover. It's actually listed as Negril. Now this hotel was recently opened by the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Now as you know, the tourism industry in Jamaica is doing very well. As a matter of fact, I've never seen so many hotels open in 1 year in Jamaica. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And there's so many more under construction, and there's so many more slated to start. Some US billion-dollar investments. The government is expanding the Sangster International Airport. It's building the Negril International Airport because I think the number of tourists that visit Jamaica a year is going to double within the next few years. So now the Princess Resort is a massive 2,000 room hotel in Negril. It's actually located in Green Island, Hanover, but I guess for marketing purposes, it's listed as Negril. Now 1,000 rooms are finished, and that is a section that opened recently. We're going to give you the actual footage of the hotel within the next 2 weeks. Now, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the opening of this massive resort. But this hotel is an indication of what's to come for Jamaica. 2,000 rooms. The days of a 100-room hotel are finished in Jamaica. Those are hotels that are. This is a hotel the size with a hotel with 2,000 rooms is like the norm for Jamaica now, and the hotel is doing very well. They're number 2 on TripAdvisor for hotels in the Caribbean. Number 2. So people want to come to Jamaica. And hotels want to invest in Jamaica, and the government is doing their part. They're building highways, they're building more airports, so it's working well. And we really have to give credit to the Minister of Tourism. He is doing an excellent job. I don't think anybody can deny that. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the opening of this hotel. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness officially opened the Princess Grand Jamaica and Princess Senses, the Mangrove Resorts in Green Island, Hanover. The resort's development, representing a US $400 million investment, promises to transform Jamaica's tourism sector by creating sustainable economic growth and employment opportunities. Speaking during the opening ceremony, Dr. Holness had high praise for the resort's exceptional design. Noting that every room offers a full view of the sea, he described the property as one of the most beautiful hotels that I have seen. The Prime Minister commended the local workers, many of whom are from Hanover, who contributed to the construction of the resorts. He also acknowledged the substantial risks involved in such a large-scale project, emphasizing the critical role of economic stability in attracting investments. You can only get that understanding of risk if the government and the economy in which you are investing are stable. Stability brings investment, and what this administration has done is to provide for the last 9 years a stable investment environment. This is the environment in which investors can take risks, and we are seeing it, Dr. Holness stated. The Prime Minister shared an optimistic outlook for the tourism sector by announcing that at least 3 new hotels are in the pipeline for development, with several others already under construction, and plans for 500 to 900 additional rooms by existing resorts. This doesn't mean that we should stand still. There is another step for the country to take, which is we need to pivot, meaning not to give up the stability that we have gained, but now we need to put our next foot on the other ring on the other rung of the ladder, Dr. Holness declared. He added that going forward, the sector will strategically pivot to focus on speed and efficiency, as well as improving infrastructure to support more investment opportunities. Prime Minister Holness further stated that most importantly, the sector will ensure that the people of Jamaica benefit from the stability, adding that those three things form the pivot. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. And then it goes on to say, he acknowledged that the transformative impact of the multi-million US dollar investment, which will create between 1,500 and 2,000 jobs for Jamaicans. So that is very significant. 2,000 jobs for the Green Island area. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, I think this resort is a game changer for the area. If one company builds a 2,000 room resort, it's just a matter of time before many more build resorts of that size down there. And it's working. When Rio opened their 7th hotel in Trelawney, the Rio Aguilera, it opened at, I think it was 80% occupancy. That means people want to come to Jamaica. This hotel, the Princess Resorts, number 2 on the TripAdvisor bookings for the Caribbean. People want to come to Jamaica. It's just a matter of time before we have more resorts between Negril and Montego Bay. So things are looking good. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.